Hi, I'm Matt Killam with the drying company Thermal Tech Insulation. We're based out of Toano, Virginia, near Williamsburg. We cover a very large area from Southside, Virginia Beach, all the way up to Fredericksburg and Powhatan. About 5 years ago, I met this incredible flooring owner-operator and Evan Silverstein. He owns Colonial Floors of Virginia, and we hit it off right away. We both have the same work ethic. We both have the same aspect as far as taking care of our homeowners and doing everything we can to make sure that they're in the right situation and we give them the best solution for their problems. We understand that we are in a very hard area as far as humidity and moisture. In Southeast Virginia, we suffer humidity 70% of the year. So it's a huge issue with crawl spaces and basements, taking on that humidity and moisture and getting into the hardwood or laminate floors, tile floors. So I needed a resource that I could turn to and say, hey, I need help, I got questions. And Evan was there to help me out. And then in return, Evan came to me and said, man, I need some help with crawl spaces and basements. What can we do to help these homeowners and get them in the right situation? So, like I said, 5 years ago, we created this great partnership, great relationship. I consider Evan a good friend of mine. We help each other out constantly, but he is a great company to work with as far as flooring. He knows his particular floors, materials, he knows it all. And dealing with him, homeowners that I've dealt with that have dealt with him, they love dealing with him. He's very knowledgeable. So it's great to have a relationship with a company that I can rely on, he can rely on, and we take every day, each day to help another homeowner and make sure that they're in a better system or better solution.